Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience using the site. Realty.com, it's a name that resonates with the very essence of finding a place to call home. But is it the right online platform for your property search? In this video, we'll delve into the Realty.com experience, exploring its features, benefits, and potential drawbacks to help you determine if it aligns with your house hunting needs. Whether you're a seasoned real estate investor, a first-time homebuyer, or simply curious about navigating the digital property landscape, this exploration aims to equip you with valuable insights. Navigating Realty.com is fairly straightforward. The site presents a clean and organized interface, making it easy to initiate your property search. You'll find readily accessible search fields where you can input your desired location, property type, house, condo, townhouse, etc., price range, and the number of bedrooms and bathrooms you're seeking. This targeted approach allows you to quickly refine your search parameters and focus on the properties that best match your criteria. The platform also provides additional filters, allowing you to drill down further and specify features like square footage, lot size, year built, and more. This granular control empowers you to fine-tune your search and discover hidden gems that perfectly align with your preferences. Beyond the standard search functionality, Realty.com offers several other valuable tools and resources. You can save your favorite listings, set up email alerts for new properties that meet your criteria, and even connect with local real estate agents directly through the platform. These features streamline the house hunting process and keep you organized. The site also features neighborhood information, often including local school ratings, points of interest, and community demographics. This data enriches your understanding of the areas you're considering, allowing you to make more informed decisions. However, like any online platform, Realty.com does have its limitations. The accuracy and completeness of the listing information depend on the agents and brokers who submit it, so it's always advisable to independently verify details. Competition within popular markets can be fierce, so be prepared for a potentially fast-paced environment.